basketball classes, making time to travel to my yoga class, and then of course the grocery store, which I seemed to go to every single day for fresh vegetables. I was constantly tired. But now it's a totally different story. Now I wake up every morning in a total delight to the sounds of the birds chirping, enjoying the bountiful lush greenery with all amenities and services right at my footstep. This magical change happened only when I left the ordinary behind and walked into something extraordinary. When I moved to my residence in my home Navadvipa. One could call it as an escape from the chaos, but it was aptly christened as the Island of Tranquility. It is a landmark by itself and even justifies its location in high-tech city with best-in-class construction technology by My Home Constructions and state-of-the-art amenities, making it indeed a high-tech place to live in. It has 5 elegant blocks: Varuna, Teja, Prithvi, Vayu and Akash. The Sri Lakshmi Narayana Swami temple is a place of worship that has positive vibes. And we Navadvipans are indeed privileged to feel these vibes on a daily basis. The landscaping at Navadvipa takes into consideration a very vital factor in contemporary urban living: tranquility. The landscaping, interwoven with the newly added fountain at the entrance of the complex, makes the place serene, tranquil, calming, and the most sought-after eco-friendly mini township. Central Lawn is a beautiful lush garden for relaxing, meditating, playing, and socializing. A dedicated horticulture team maintains this lush greenery throughout the year with recycled water. It was no surprise when My Home Navadvipa received the prestigious ITC WOW Award for Best Greenery and the GHMC Award for the Best Maintained Colony in Hyderabad. My Home Navadvipa provides a basketball court for residents to train and excel in this sport. Thanks to the commitment of the coach, today we are indeed proud to have more than 70 kids training in the sport. Tennis coaching is being provided by an excellent team of professional coaches from highly rated academies. Badminton is an immensely popular racket sport here at Navadvipa. Seeing the tremendous interest and enthusiasm in the sport, the association has upgraded the old concrete courts to state-of-the-art synthetic ones. Table tennis tables are also provided in most of the blocks for residents to master the skills in the sport. Navadvipans enjoy relaxing in the swimming pool to beat the summer heat. A modern clubhouse with a well-equipped gymnasium is provided for an invigorating workout session. This gym also has a separate naturopathy center and a rejuvenating massage, steam and sauna rooms. Residents also enjoy the regular aerobic sessions, Zumba classes and yoga under the guidance of dedicated instructors. Classical and Bollywood dance classes, Taekwondo are also conducted in the clubhouse on a regular basis. 2 play areas have been provided exclusively for kids near Teja and Vayu blocks. The Kids Park has a brand new state-of-the-art jungle gym for kids to unwind, relax, play and enjoy. A wide jogging track is provided where residents enjoy their morning and evening walk amidst heartfelt and soothing music playing in the background on this track. Vijeta Supermarket, located at My Home Navadvipa, provides the convenience of daily groceries, including fresh fruits and vegetables, with home delivery options available upon request. Modern conveniences like tailoring unit, snack and ice cream parlor, ladies and gents saloon, pharmacy, e-seva center, and creche provide elegant lifestyle on a daily basis. Taking its cue from the government, My Home Navdeepa's Green Brigade has started its own Swachh Bharat Swachh My Home campaign to make the community a clean and green one. A centralized 24/7 help desk has been provided to address the complaints and the grievances of the residents. Banking facilities like ATM have been installed in Prithvi Block, which is a newly added facility by the association for the residents. The library, located in the Vayu Block, provides an ever-growing immense collection of books, newspapers, magazines for reference or borrowing. It is a no-brainer to say that at My Home Navdeepa, we put safety and security of residents on top priority. To ensure this, there is a round-the-clock security system with trained security personnel who patrol and guard our safety at all times. All high-tech security features such as CC cameras, biometric ID cards, along with the newly added RFID stickers and boom barriers have been successfully put into use. The CC cameras are placed not only at the entrance of the building but also at the lobby, still, and corridors of individual blocks to provide added security to residents. We are indeed proud to have a dedicated, committed, vigilant, and extremely hard-working support staff at Navdeepa. The managing committee, who are the pillars of My Home Navdeepa, consist of a group of eminent, highly talented individuals who have significant responsibilities to maintain law and order within the community. Distinguished members of the cultural committee make sure that every celebration is centered around the rituals of prayer, seeking blessings, and exchanging goodwill. Vibrant colors, music, and festivity make My Home Navdeepa come alive throughout the year during these celebrations. The festivity starts with Annual Day, which is celebrated on Republic Day every year with great splendor and patriotism. The cultural program in the evening showcases in-house as well as outside talents. Navdeepans witnessed the traditional vigor of holy colors mingled with fun as they danced and swayed to the musical harmony in the first of its kind rain dance organized in the basketball court. Panchangam and Ramayana by Navdeepa Kids were the main attractions of the cultural program marking the celebration of Ugadi festival, with the aspirations and belief that a New Year day happily spent means a happy year to follow. Come Shravan Mas, and residents eagerly await for the Garuda Vahana procession, in which the temple idols are taken around the entire complex. Residents offer prayers to the Lord, seek blessings amidst music and dancing. Ganesh Chaturthi or Vinayak Chaturthi was celebrated for 11 days. On the final day, the Lord's Laddu and Seshavastram were auctioned for a record amount of Rs 4 lakh. This amount was donated to various charitable organizations. The Dandiya Fest and Batkamma is an event that is eagerly awaited by young and old to mark the beginning of Navratri. The traditional Batukamma, the festival of flowers, was celebrated with religious fervor and gaiety. This was followed by Garba and Dandiya, performed very enthusiastically by the residents of Navdeepa. Diwali Bash marks a colorful extravaganza of cultural programs by the residents of Navdeepa. New Year Carnival was a perfect way to round up an eventful year. My Home Navdeepa, It's here that you can nurture your emotions and watch them bloom. You have to experience it to believe it. So, come to my home Navadvipa and fall in love with life all over again.